8210. Welcome to my video on passive income stream ideas for 2020. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is by no means investment advice. Do your own research before making any financial decisions. Seeing money come into your bank account without having to lift a finger is one of the most satisfying feelings I have ever experienced. Although these incomes will take time and patience to set up, no doubt your future self will be thanking you. The first idea is to invest in index funds. An index fund is a selection/compilation of stocks compiled into a single asset. These are great for new investors looking for long-term gains with relatively small risk. The second passive income idea is to start a YouTube channel. Although upfront, this option may not seem fully passive as you will have to create content for the channel in order to receive an income. After gaining a fan base, you will be able to monetize your YouTube videos, both new and old, meaning that videos created even 7 years ago have the potential to create an income for you. This is a fun and creative way to create an income stream. I also highly advise you create the channel based around something you are passionate about to avoid demotivation. The third passive income idea is investing in dividend-paying stocks. A dividend in simple terms is basically a percentage of the company's profits being paid back to you as a reward for holding their stock. If you were to invest in a dividend-paying stock and continually reinvest the dividends, you could potentially see your capital grow exponentially through the magic of compounding. This is one of my favorites because it's 100% passive, and at the end of the day you also own shares of companies that provide real value to the world. Although there are many more passive income stream ideas out there, these three are by far my favorite. I hope you can use this information to begin creating passive income streams of your own. Leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe and share it with a friend that also wants to reach financial freedom. Thank you for watching.